Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to discuss about how to get into ketosis in 24 hours. Getting into ketosis, a metabolic state in which the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, has gained significant attention due to its potential health benefits. While it typically takes a few days of strict adherence to a low-carbohydrate, high-fat ketogenic diet to achieve ketosis, there are ways to expedite the process and enter ketosis within 24 hours. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. In this video, we will explore various strategies and practical tips to help you kickstart your journey into ketosis quickly and safely. 1. Adopt a strict ketogenic diet. To initiate ketosis within 24 hours, it is crucial to follow a strict ketogenic diet. This involves significantly reducing your carbohydrate intake to around 20-30 grams per day. By limiting carbohydrates, you force your body to use fat as its primary fuel source. Instead of relying on glucose from carbohydrates, the body breaks down stored fats into ketones for energy. Focus on consuming high-quality sources of fat such as avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. It's important to note that protein intake should be moderate, as excessive protein consumption can hinder ketosis by being converted into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. 2. Do intermittent fasting. Incorporating intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool to expedite the onset of ketosis. This eating pattern involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. By extending the fasting period, you deplete your glycogen stores more rapidly, increasing the demand for alternative energy sources such as ketones. One common approach is the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and restrict your eating window to 8 hours. During the eating window, focus on consuming nutrient-dense, ketogenic meals that are high in healthy fats, moderate in protein, and low in carbohydrates. Another option is to incorporate a full-day fast, where you consume no calories for 24 hours. You should stay hydrated during fasting periods and consider drinking black coffee or herbal tea to help curb hunger. Intermittent fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity, promote fat burning, and accelerate the transition into ketosis. However, if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, consult with a healthcare professional before implementing fasting practices. 3. Engage in high-intensity exercise. Including high-intensity exercise in your routine can help deplete glycogen stores and promote ketosis within 24 hours. Activities such as sprinting, weightlifting, circuit training, or high-intensity interval training (HIIT) require immediate energy, forcing your body to rely on fat stores for fuel. This depletes your glycogen reserves, making it easier for your body to transition into ketosis. Aim for approximately 20-30 minutes of high-intensity exercise, depending on your fitness level and preferences. Additionally, incorporating resistance training into your routine can help preserve muscle mass during the transition into ketosis. As you restrict carbohydrates, your body may break down muscle tissue for energy. 4. Increase healthy fat intake. One of the fundamental principles of the ketogenic diet is increasing your intake of healthy fats. Consuming an adequate amount of healthy fats is crucial for initiating and sustaining ketosis within 24 hours. Healthy fat sources like avocados, coconut oil, olive oil, nuts, and seeds provide the necessary fuel for the body to produce ketones. Not only do healthy fats contribute to ketone production, but they also help keep you satiated and satisfied, reducing cravings and promoting adherence to the ketogenic diet. They provide a steady source of energy and can enhance the flavor and texture of your meals. 5. Use exogenous ketones. Another strategy to expedite the process of getting into ketosis within 24 hours is by using exogenous ketones. Exogenous ketones are supplements that contain ketones derived from external sources, usually in the form of ketone salts or ketone esters. When you consume exogenous ketones, they increase the ketone levels in your blood, mimicking the state of ketosis. This can provide an immediate source of ketones to fuel your body and help transition into ketosis more rapidly. However, it's important to note that exogenous ketones should not be seen as a substitute for following a proper ketogenic diet. They are most effective when used in conjunction with a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet and a healthy lifestyle. Consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before using exogenous ketones, as they may not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain medical conditions. 6. Stay hydrated and electrolyte balanced. During the process of getting into ketosis, the body tends to excrete more water and electrolytes. This can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances, which may result in symptoms such as headaches, muscle cramps, and fatigue. To prevent these issues, it's crucial to stay hydrated and maintain electrolyte balance. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, or more, depending on your activity level and climate. In addition to water, consider incorporating electrolyte-rich beverages or supplements. 7. Get sufficient sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for achieving and maintaining ketosis within 24 hours as it directly impacts your metabolic function and hormone balance. Lack of sleep can disrupt insulin sensitivity, increase stress hormone levels, and hinder your body's ability to enter ketosis efficiently. During sleep, your body undergoes essential processes that support overall health, including cellular repair, hormone regulation, and glycogen restoration. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize these functions and promote the transition into ketosis. 8. Minimize stress. Chronic stress can significantly impact your body's ability to enter ketosis within 24 hours. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that can disrupt blood sugar regulation and inhibit ketone production. Implement stress-reducing practices in your daily life to create a more conducive environment for ketosis. Engage in activities such as meditation, yoga, mindfulness, or deep breathing exercises to promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. Find hobbies or activities that bring you joy and help you unwind. Additionally, ensure you have a support system in place to help you manage stress and stay motivated on your ketogenic journey. 9. Monitor ketone levels. To determine if you have successfully entered ketosis within 24 hours, it is essential to monitor your ketone levels regularly. There are several methods available to measure ketones, including urine strips, blood ketone meters, and breath analyzers. Aim to monitor your ketone levels consistently, especially during the initial stages of your ketogenic journey. This allows you to assess your progress, make necessary adjustments to your diet and lifestyle, and ensure you are on track to achieving and maintaining ketosis. Conclusion: achieving ketosis within 24 hours requires a strategic and disciplined approach. Remember that every individual is unique, and the time it takes to enter ketosis may vary. It's essential to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian who can provide personalized guidance. Thank you for watching, and do remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this information helpful.